Hello, this video is about the greenhouse effect, the physical process that drives global warming and climate change. So first of all, most of our energy comes from the sun, and the sun is a giant nuclear reactor in space. The reactions going on in the sun emit electromagnetic radiation. Now we think of the sun as producing light and warmth perhaps, but actually it's producing the entire range of electromagnetic spectrum, all the way from radio waves at the low end to gamma rays and X-rays at the upper end of energy. Now all that light and radiation comes through space and by and large gets through our atmosphere and reaches the Earth, where it causes the Earth to warm up. Now if we had no atmosphere, once the Earth had warmed up, it would cool down again, emitting that heat back out into space. But because we have this atmosphere and there are gases in the atmosphere, particularly that we call greenhouse gases, water, vapour, carbon dioxide and so on, those gases are opaque to certain wavelengths. In other words, some wavelengths of light can't go through those gases. In particular, the infrared radiation that the Earth produces when it's warm. So the Earth warms up, it heats up, it then emits that heat back out as infrared radiation, but the infrared radiation can't pass through the atmosphere. It gets stopped by the greenhouse gases, and as a result, the atmosphere and the Earth in general warms up. Now, the more greenhouse gases you have, the more it can trap the heat, and that's where you can get accelerated global warming as we add more carbon to the atmosphere. Hope that was a useful summary. Thanks for watching.